Hey guys, now we have four very funny products for you, and the Apple from Apple, and we got iPhone, we got the iPad. But there's four here, and we put it in a very tiny plastic box, and we'll check it one by one. And let's see how this funny and mini Apple products looks like, and what do you think of such tiny products. They're not real products, they're just made by some DIY lovers, some Apple fans. And they're really cute and really mini, and the size is super mini. And here iPhone, and we checked it one by one, and they just put the smartphone cable and charger in the box, and I think it's really special for the Apple fans. And here is iPad tablet products. They even provide a bag. So this is very funny, right? We'll open the plastic box so we can get out the tablet outside. And yes, here's the pad, and the bag is also similar to the authorized and official bag. Just the size is much smaller. And the tablet is also very small, and they're all made by paper. I bought it from online. And here's a pad, and also they provide the pad cable and a charger. So also very nice iPad. Yes. That's very funny. And the rest two are also iPhone, the smartphone from iPad, from Apple, and also very funny. Got a new model from iPhone. Same plastic made box, and what surprised me is the pictures in front of the paper in the front of the mini box looks so real, just like the junior one. The Apple phone cable charger sticker. Yes, it's the same, one similar, very same, and okay. They'll still get the last one. So the legs so real, and maybe just for the tiny small world, somewhere we use this. Apple, iPad, iPhone. What do you think such tiny products from iPhone? Apple products, tablet, iPhone, different model, and they're so tiny. Here, finger. Wow, so interesting. Which one do you like? Looks so real. Tablet, even bag, iPhone. So funny. Tiny iPhone. Dongle. Tiny iPad. Tiny iPhone. Tiny iPhone. Oh, so many. Wow. So interesting.